Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this endless reel of videos on CapCut PC. So we're just going to add our videos here. We don't want them to be super long, so let's just make them this short. I'm gonna use another video here. Okay. So on the first video, we're just going to want to add in a keyframe here. And at the end, we're just going to kind of want to bring it all the way to the left. And then at the beginning, we're going to want to bring it to the very right. Like that. Once it hits this, well, once it shows like a little bit of the other video, we're just going to add that on. And then again, we're going to add in a keyframe at the beginning here. So like at the right next to the video, and then at the end. Okay, hold on, let me adjust it with the other video first. We're going to place it here, and then like at the end we're going to want to really completely remove it, and you're just going to keep doing that until there's no more videos. So like here we're going to add another one. Hold on. Here, let's add this video, and we're going to bring it all the way to the right. And then at the end, we're going to bring it all the way to the left. Just keep doing it until you have no more videos. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.